Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 379, problem 4, no calculator. At a used bookstore, a customer can buy one book for C dollars. For each additional book that the customer buys, the store charges D dollars less than it does for the first book. How much in dollars does the store charge a customer for N books? Okay, so let's make sure that we tell the correct story. Okay, customer is going to buy N books, but they are not all charged at the same rate. One is charged at a separate rate. Okay, that's going to be one book. Okay, and the other group is going to be one less than N. Okay, and that doesn't sound like I'm telling the correct story yet, but I'm getting there. I've divided the collection of books into two groups. Okay, N is divided into one separate book and a group of books that is one less than that. They add up to N. Okay, now the prices are, for one book, the price is C. Okay, and for the other books, the price is C minus D. That's the discount. Okay, so this is the discounted price that applies to most of the books, and this is the non-discounted price that applies to one book. So if you want, you can multiply this in here. Okay, number of books times the price of the books. Okay, discounted price applying to all but one books is multiplied by all but one book, and this is 1C up here. One book at the non-discounted price. 1C, okay, and we can just ignore the 1. Does this match one of the answers? Yes, it does. It matches this one. So that is how to tell yourself this correct story. I know it might not have seemed that easy to you if you tried it before, maybe, but if you're a normal student, no. And it took me a minute or two to figure it out the first time. So if I'm acting like it's obvious, it is not obvious. It does not need to be obvious to you in order for you to get it right on the test. And watching videos where people make things look obvious won't necessarily increase your score on the test. But if you look at the other answers, you can eliminate them as being bad for various reasons, and that will help. Okay. This is the discounted price times the total number of books. This ignores the fact that one book is not at the discounted price. Okay, that's a problem. So that's giving out a discount on the first book when you should not do that. This one is this is the total number of books times the price of the non-discounted book, and then one discount is applied apparently to one book, which is kind of the opposite of what you want to do in terms of which group gets the discount. And this down here is this is the discounted price one time plus the non-discounted price one time. This could incidentally be correct if we're talking about a collection of only 2 books. If you buy 2 books, this is actually the correct answer. Wow. But the way that the question is asked, you are not allowed to presume that a customer is buying only 2 books. You're supposed to use a formula that can apply to a larger number of books, or even, I guess, to a larger number of books is kind of the point of the thing. So I'm not explaining things in a way that sounds very clear, confident, but I'm not going to reshare this video just because I'm tired. I think it's pretty clear. If it's not clear to you, tell me. Tell me in the comment section, and I'll do it all over again, just for you.